magnetism and magnetic effects of current, important topics are force experienced by charge moving inside the electric field, force experienced by the charged particle moving inside the magnetic field, and then force experienced by current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field, force experienced by two parallel current carrying conductors, sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer, conversion of galvanometer to ammeter and voltmeter, properties of di, para and ferromagnetism, magnetic waves and optics. These two units, it carries 18 marks. From electromagnetic waves, you have to do displacement current, electromagnetic waves, then optics. It consists of two parts, ray optics and wave optics. From ray optics, you have to do reflection of light, mirror formula, then refraction of light, lens formula, refraction through convex spherical surfaces, their conditions, refraction through concave spherical surfaces, thin lens formula, lens makers formula, diagram and the derivation related to the microscope, compound microscope and telescopes. Reflecting type telescope. Next is wave optics, wavefront, what Huygens wave theory, laws of reflection on the basis of Huygens wave theory, laws of refraction on the basis of Huygens wave theory, interference of light, sustained interference, diffraction of light. Dual nature of matter and radiation, and atoms and nuclei. This whole these two units, it consists of 12 marks weightage. Photoelectric effect, laws of photoelectric effect, graphs related to it, Einstein's mass energy relation, and then next is atoms and nuclei. From atoms, you have to do alpha scattering experiment, Rutherford's model of atom, Bohr's model of atom, and derivation related to it, and hydrogen line spectra. Then nuclei, you have to do nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, mass defect, binding energy, binding and semiconductor devices. Its weightage is 7 marks, and in types of it consists of p-type semiconductor, n-type semiconductor, and p-n junction, formation of the p-n junction diode, extrinsic semiconductor, intrinsic semiconductor. Their diagram on the basis of band theory is very important. Then p-n junction diode, you in forward bias, p-n junction diode in reverse biased, their graph related numericals, and half wave rectifier, full